If y'all need a beautician who wash y'all hair and braid y'all shit down and install it, hit up my girl Evie.
Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
I can't believe I believed everything we ever last week. And I even made to think she was from your past. Didn't mean to dream of one day having your kiss. But it's so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I believe I fell for your schemes, I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. I wish I made to compete when you cheat with this woman. It took me some time, but now I'm alone. Cause I realized I gotta leave myself behind. It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out.
Y'all, get into this Glueless HD wig, period. Glueless, like, baby, what lace? Now this is one of those moments where you be like, what lace? What lace, poo? Now thank you guys for returning back to my channel. I hope you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Today was just the day where y'all can't wait to get my hair done, because y'all, I got this wig like 3 weeks ago and I just been waiting to put it on. I have been waiting, but I was like, I want to wait till Christmas to like put it on, y'all. Y'all, I am late, so I am so very happy about the hair and the hair color. For one, it's very full and very volumized. Like, it's, y'all see, it's giving, like, it's giving. I love that. I ordered this from Unice Wigs. I'm going to link it below because y'all know I love to link my wigs. So I'm going to link my wig below. I love glueless wigs. I will grow up and get a wig that you have to glue on. What are those? Are those frontals? I don't know, because I did accidentally buy a wig that I have to glue down. So I said I'm gonna put that in next year when I grow up. Right now, I'm really into these glueless. Like, for one, y'all, like, these are easily manageable, okay? Easily manageable. And what I do whenever I want to put my wig back on, because I know y'all be seeing me put my wig back on and it just still be laid like it's fresh, but it's not. I use olive oils. I'm gonna link it below. I use their wig grip spray and gel. Y'all, when I tell y'all, if y'all use it, that shit will lay. I'm telling you, it will fucking lay. Especially if you figure out how to do it right. I love to go get my hair done, and then I like to keep up with the maintenance. I've realized that that's what works for me. I'm not gonna try to put no wig on because I'm gonna wait. Like, I'm gonna wait and try like one of these days in the first. I'm lying. I ain't gonna never try that shit. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna never try. But I will always go get my hair done. Then I'm gonna always wash the wig, and I can always put it back on. You know, I could just wash the wig and keep the maintenance going. Like, but as far as like initially like plucking and doing all that, baby, pluck to the gods. So yeah, y'all, I'm really invested into these wigs. Like, they're so easy and easily manageable. Like, y'all see, I keep buying them for like no reason. I ain't even wore my headband wig yet. I said I'm gonna flat iron it. It's on my wig stand right now. I said I'm gonna flat iron it. But yeah, y'all, this is my Christmas hair, and if y'all hear all this noise in the background, it's really Snicker just making the most noise as usual. But yeah, y'all, this wig is like very affordable. I would tell y'all to go on Unice. They're always having a sale. They always got deals. Excuse me. And they always have great hair vendors. So personally, I would advise y'all to go and get a wig from Unice. And I would advise y'all to get headband wigs, because listen here. Y'all be wearing them glue wigs like crazy. And one thing that I've noticed is that y'all do not be having edges. Like, after a few installs, bro, if you pay attention to people like regular girls, celebrities, all that, bro, let them take that motherfucking hair out and put that shit in a ponytail. They ain't got no edges. Like, I want to keep my edge now. Call me childish all you want to. I can't see no baby hairs. Like, baby, you don't need to see no baby hairs on the side. You see the baby hairs right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to keep my motherfucking edges intact. I ain't playing with y'all. I am not playing with y'all. That's cute what y'all do. But what I'm going to do is I'm throwing this Glueless and keep it moving. Because it's easy to manage. Like, it's so easy. Like, and all you got to do is wash them and put it back on. Like, and just get your hair rebraided probably like once a month, once every 3 weeks. And just keep putting the wig on, take it off. And now I got different colors and shit, baby. I'm finna just... Y'all, I'm just happy. But anyways, y'all, I just want to share my excitement with y'all. I just wanted to let y'all call me to get my hair done because I wanted y'all to see the install and to see why I'm so happy. And I'm just like, I'm very, very, very happy. Like, I don't even know what other words to put into this. Like, do y'all not see this shit? Like, the fuck? Like, so, yeah, y'all, I guess y'all get a beautician. And yeah, and she washed her too. So I'm going to link her below as well because she also washed hair. I don't know if y'all need a beautician who washed her. If y'all follow me from Memphis, if y'all need a beautician who washed y'all hair and braid y'all shit down and install it, hit up my girl, Emmy. I'm going to link her below. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can book her. It's okay. I won't trip. I'm gonna be able to get in regardless. But anyways, guys, that's it. I'm finna end this vlog. If y'all wonder what I'm drinking Black Girl Magic. But anyways, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna talk to y'all later in the next vlog. I hope y'all enjoying the vlog that I just posted. What was it, yesterday or the other day? The vlog I'm gonna post right now. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Really, I'm gonna see y'all in my Christmas vlog. I think Christmas or Christmas Eve. I think I'm gonna put them together. So I'm gonna see y'all in that vlog. Okay. Bye.